We should get jerseys, cause we make a good team. But yours would look better than mine, cause you're out of my league. And I know that it's so cliche to tell you that every day I spend with you is the new best day of my life. Everyone watching us just turns away with disgust. This jealousy, they can see that we've got it going on. Racking my brain for a new, improved way.
I think the members of the SAC community are just like a great group of people that just like, the audience is just powerful.
It was so funny.
It means dedicating some of the best years of your life to some of the best people in your life.
I would say SAC is consistent. SAC is every Thursday night. SAC is something that the TC students can count on for the Thursday night. If they don't want to go out, they don't want to go, dancing, and they just want to chill before they go study the rest of the night, they can take a break and go to SAC, and that's what SAC really provides.
The show's hilarious.
We are on campus, so students don't have to drive, they don't have to go out in the traffic late at night. All they have to do is walk, and some girls take Froggy 5 So this is very accessible, very easy, I think it really builds community.
My side hurts really bad. Laughing is a good way to lose weight. SAC is better than the rec.
I would agree with that statement.